Well, the nation's highest court is set to review a law deciding whether persuading others to violate U.S. immigration law is protected by the First Amendment. One America's Adonis Albright takes a look at that case.
The Supreme Court will determine if a federal law which bans persuading those to illegally enter or stay in the country is unconstitutional. On Friday, justices added the case to the docket for their next term. The law in question makes it a felony to encourage someone to break federal immigration law. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals struck it down last year, claiming it violated a broad range of free speech protected by the First Amendment rather than the law's specific intent. However, the Trump administration is challenging the decision, saying the law only targets communication that leads to illegal conduct, which is not protected under the Constitution. The case involves an immigration consultant who was convicted in 2013 of advising illegal immigrants to stay in the U.S. and apply for legal status, knowing they would not be eligible. That consultant, Evelyn Sinanang Smith, a California native, was also found guilty of tax and mail fraud. That ruling was then appealed, with attorneys arguing the law was unconstitutional.
The statute's words aren't plain. There's no legislative history that's relevant that provides any gloss to it. There are no government publications, either by the Department of Justice, INS back before the day of CIS or ICE, talking about limitations on what a person can do to assist an alien in filing an I-140 petition or a labor certification.
The left-leaning three-panel of judges agreed, claiming it was overly broad in the type of speech it targets. However, the Trump administration argues the law is important to stop those who enrich themselves by encouraging illegal immigration. The appeal comes as no surprise. The Ninth Circuit Court has repeatedly come under fire by President Trump.
We're getting some terrible decisions from the Ninth Circuit as usual. I don't know if we've ever had a victory in the Ninth Circuit. We have to appeal it. Yes, a vast number of their decisions get overturned, generally speaking. And it's a shame. It's a shame. It's a disgrace, frankly.
The nation's highest court will now give the final say on whether it's a felony to encourage people to break federal immigration laws. Justices are set to begin their next 9-month term on Monday. Adonis Albright, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.